way to go forward on television. If you think about it, how much more different can you be on TV? And here you have a channel which is known, I mean, NDTV has always been, especially Grant Proctor, has always been known for, when the markets are, what is happening in terms of business and all of that. And at the same time, what happens when that shuts? When that shuts, people want to switch channels and they want to watch other channels and, talk about entertainment and that's what you're giving on the same channel. I think it's phenomenal as an idea that has been coming forward and it's one of the world's first times that it's happening. In our country, it's the first.
Yes.
In our country, it's the first I think that's happening. There's nothing that can, you can't debate with talent. And talent has, you can stand in front of an audience of 1 million people and make jokes and make a complete jag of yourself. But when it comes in front of the camera, something happens. When the camera turns on and they say action, you forget everything, nerves, and it stresses you out so much that you don't know when to say a line, you don't know where to stand, you have to take care of so many things at the same time. I think that would be something that we need to look for. Somebody who is not camera conscious, somebody who is willing to just let go of everything that, because as an actor, whether it's a hero or an heroine, you have to be able to dance, you have to be able to act, you have to be able to action. To Bollywood. जिस तरह वो गा रहे हैं, I think it's sounding fantastic. जैसे सबने का, first of all, hi Mahima, hi Mukesh, hi Jassi. I think it's fabulous what you all are doing. अब इतना सारा talent है across the country, and they never get an opportunity to ever come into Bombay even, or meet people. And I think the fact that NDTV is going out there and giving these people an opportunity to showcase their talent and have 3 incredible people. I mean, Mukesh and I have worked together on a few films, and so I know as a casting agent, he's got, he knows what is required. And of course, Mahima is a tremendous actor herself, and Jassi being an entertainer. I think the 3 of them together will be able to really pick on a phenomenal actor. My ambition in life was to be NDTV anchor. Actually, my ambition in life was to be Dr. Robin. Oh! But that didn't happen. So then this is second best. So I'm saying, so second best, right?
Dr. Roy is sitting next to you. Then what is wrong?
That's true. Take away anybody's job and say, you know what, Raji, do the job, it's all right. I don't want to be better than you. I'm trying very hard not to be. I definitely like that, but for me, it's not I like beautiful cars, I like fast cars, but I just don't like being the person who drives them. And especially in Mumbai, as it does get into the traffic. It's one of those whimsical things.
Why should boys have all the fun?
It is true. Why should boys have all the fun? But I've always loved bikes. Now that's something that I like riding myself. And Pink because, I just felt rebellious and I felt that, why should bikes always be those powerful, which look great by the way, black and chrome and these kind of colors. I just wanted to do the female power kind of. So it's neon pink.
Yeah.
It's not very pink. It's neon. So
you
it's
get a chance?
Property I'm dying to buy, I can't find, so I think that is why.
Manisha sitting right down there is coming up next in property. You don't need to pay for it, but we need to see all the
Oh, I wish I could say. But I have to say, I think it's a phenomenal thing that you've done with this channel. To me, it is everything that anyone would want to know in terms of lifestyle and luxury and things that are becoming one in a life, like for example, auto. Comedy, of course, is so important. I think what is cool about, I think I'm talking about Prime, is the fact that you're catering to real people's real problems, I always ask the question before I bought my car, that, I want to buy a car which commemorates the years that I've worked together. I want to buy a car, and I couldn't figure it out for almost, 2 years which one I should get. And, to have something which tells you what is best is great on the, flick of the remote. So I would want to wish you all really, really good.
With your mind, but you want to tell us how you work hard and how you play hard and not to